Welcome. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of African storytelling, a revered tradition rich with wisdom and life lessons. African tales, passed through generations, are more than just stories. They're cultural blueprints for life. But interestingly, they're also powerful vehicles for health awareness, helping connect age-old traditions with modern-day challenges. Now, let's spotlight a hidden narrative: diabetes in Africa. The numbers are staggering, with millions affected and more at risk. Yet, traditional tales remain largely silent on this growing epidemic. Why aren't stories addressing this silent invader, you might ask? It's a gap begging to be filled, and bridging this gap could reshape how communities perceive and manage diabetes. Cultural barriers and myths are partly to blame for this silence. Historically, certain illnesses have been taboo, shrouded in secrecy, or attributed to mystical causes. This has kept vital dialogue at bay and hindered storytelling from evolving to address modern health crises. But understanding this absence gives us the insight needed to change. Myths around diabetes impact care in profound ways. Beliefs like diabetes is only for the wealthy or traditional remedies can cure diabetes mislead and delay effective treatment. Such myths are prevalent, weaving confusion instead of clarity in the health management narrative across African communities. Yet, amidst these challenges, new storytellers are emerging, challenging the status quo. They're weaving stories of hope, resilience, and reality, updating narratives to confront health issues like diabetes. These contemporary tales don't just inform, they empower communities to take control, fostering a culture of health awareness and proactive care. Technology becomes a powerful ally in this narrative shift. From apps that help manage blood sugar to platforms that allow stories to be shared widely, technology supports vital change. It bridges cultural gaps and brings together tradition and modernity, making health stories more accessible and engaging. So, here's the call to action. Share these stories and adapt them to serve your community. Engage with a collective effort to bust myths and create awareness. Together, we can redefine the narrative, harnessing the power of storytelling to not only preserve culture, but also to inform and protect it through knowledge and awareness.